Assalamu alaikum children. How are you? Hope you all are doing good. Now today we will solve question number 3, 4 and 6 from exercise 2.1. Chapter Fraction and Decimals. Question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is same. Is this a magic square? Means if you see in the textbook, you will find a square there. So there are 3 columns and 3 rows in that one. So if each column, if it gives the same result, same answer, then you will say it is a magic square. So in the first row is what? Row is a horizontal line. Horizontal, it is called a row, and the vertical, it is called a column. So in the given question, there are 3 rows and 3 columns. We have to sum up, and then we have to sum up the fractions in diagonally also. If the result is same, then we will say it is a magic square. So the first one, the sum along the first row. So what are the numbers in the first row? 4 by 11, 9 by 11 and 2 by 11. If you add, it is a like fraction. So denominator is same, only you have to add the numerators. 4 plus 9 plus 2 will give you 15. 15 by 11. Sum along the second row. Second row, the horizontal one, it is called a row. The vertical one is called a column. So the second row, when you are going, second row, second line, the horizontal second line, it is called a second row, which is equals to, what are the numbers given there? 3 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 7 by 11. So the LCM is 11. Add up the numerator. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 7 will give you 15. Now sum along the third row. That is 8 by 11 plus 1 by 11 plus 6 by 11. If you add, 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 6 will give you 15. 15 by 11. Sum along the first column. Now you are coming for the vertical way. We have completed the horizontal and we got the result as 15 by 11. Now in the first column, the first number given is 4 by 11. The next is 3 by 11. And the next is 8 by 11. If you add 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 will give you 15. Sum along the second column. Second column is also, you will get the answer as 9 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 1 by 11. If you add 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1 will give you 15. 15 by 11. Sum along the third column. Third column is 2 by 11 plus 7 by 11 plus 6 by 11, which is equals to 15 by 11. Sum along the first diagonal. There are 2 diagonals. So along the first diagonal, if you are taking 4 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 6 by 11, which is equals to 15 by 11. Sum along the second diagonal. Second diagonal, what are the numbers given there? 2 by 11 plus 5 by 11 plus 8 by 11. 2 and 2 plus 5 will give you 7. 7 plus 8 will give you 15. So 15 by 11. So we have checked here the numbers along the rows, along the columns, along the diagonals. There are 3 rows, there are 3 columns because it is a square. A square will have the same number of diagonals and same number of diagonals the same number of rows and same number of columns. So here 3 by 3 means 3 rows and 3 columns, and there are 2 diagonals. The diagonals are what? Which joins the 2 corners. So there are 2 diagonals in a square. Finally, what we have to conclude, whether it's a magic square or not. So in all the cases, we find the result as 5 by 11. Yes, you have understood that it is a magic square because the answer is same anyway. Yes, the sum of the numbers in each row, each column and along the diagonals is same. So it is a magic square. Hope it is clear to you. Refer to the question in your textbook. Question number 4. The statement of the question goes like this. There is a rectangular sheet of paper which is 12 1 by 2 centimeter long. The length is how much? 12 1 by 2 centimeter long and 10 integer 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. You have to find out the perimeter. The length is given and the breadth is given. So what is the solution from the question? It is given that the length is how much? 12 integer 1 by 2. How you will read it? 12. 12 integer 1 by 2. If you change this mixed fraction to the improper fraction, what you will get? 12 2s are 24 plus 125 by 2. So before solving it, we cannot solve it with the mixed fraction. So we will change it to the improper form. 25 by 2 centimeter. Now the breadth is how much? 10, 2 by 3. So 10 3 is a 30, 30 plus 2, 32 divided by 3 centimeter, that is the breadth. We know that what is the formula for the perimeter of the rectangle? Yes, you know the formula, that is 2 into length plus breadth. 2 into length is how much? 25 by 2 plus breadth is 32 by 3. Here it is an improper fraction. So what you will do? You will change it to the proper form by taking the LCM. So what is the LCM of 2 and 3? It is 6. So 6 is the LCM. Then 25 will get multiplied by 3 and 32 will get multiplied by 2. So what is the LCM? LCM is 6. If you multiply 25 by 3, what you will get? 25 3s are 75. 32 into 2 is 64 upon 6. Add this 75 and 64, it's equals to 139 upon 6. Multiply. Now just we will do the cancellation. 2 into 139 by 6. We can just cancel 2 and 6. 2 ones are 2, 2 3s are 6. 139 divided by 3 centimeter. So it is an improper fraction. We can change it by dividing 139 by 3 to a mixed fraction. If you divide it, what you will get? It is equals to 36. 1 is the remainder and 3 is the divisor. So 36. What is the answer now? The answer is 46. 1 by 3 is your answer. It's a mixed fraction. 46 integer 1 by 3. Hope it is clear to you. The length and the breadth, it is given in the form of a fraction. The length is 12 integer 1 by 2 and the breadth is 10 integer 2 by 3. Okay, practice well. Then it will be more clear to you. Now, question number 6. Salil. Salil is a boy. He wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3 by 5 centimeter wide. To fit the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 integer 3 by 10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Means the length of the picture is bigger than the frame. So what has to be done? The picture has to be trimmed. Means it should be cut off from the sides so that it has to fit it in the frame. The dimensions of the frame is given and how much it should be trimmed. The solution. From the question, it is given that the picture is having a width of how much? 7 3 by 5. Change this mixed fraction to the improper form. Improper fraction, that is 7 into 5, 7 5 is 35 plus 3 will give you 38 divided by 5 centimeter. That is the width of the picture, and frame is having the width of how much? 7 3 by 10. 7 10s are 70. 70 plus 3 will give you 73 by 10. So the picture should be trimmed by how much? 38 by 5 minus 73 by 10. So if you take out the LCM of the denominator, 5 and 10, the LCM is equals to 10. Now let us change each of the given fraction into an equivalent fraction having 10 as the denominator. So how it can be done? You see, if you take the first fraction, what is the first fraction? That has to be multiplied with the denominator of the second one. So here what is there? 38 by 5 into 2 by 2 means it has to be multiplied. You have to get the denominator as 10. How it can be done? 38 by 5. 5 has to change it to 10. It can be done by multiplying by 2. 38 into 2 into 5 into 2 we will get 76 by 10 minus of 73 by 10. So 76 minus 73 will give you how much? 3. 3 by 10. Thus the picture should be trimmed by 3 by 10 centimeter. So what is given here? The picture dimension is bigger than the frame. So it has to be cut a little. How much it has to be cut? 3 by 10 centimeter. Hope it is clear to you. Have a good day. Like my channel, subscribe my channel. Again I will come with the new topics.